This tutorial will discuss the end-user workflow for Arc and HL7 messages. The UI will be similar to 2.1 and 2.2 versions of software, as well as some future releases. To begin, open the Arc software. If the workstation is connected to a CADLink server with the HL7 module licensed, Arc will display the Scheduled Appointments window with a list of all pending HL7 appointments. Please keep in mind it may take up to 5 minutes for new messages to appear in Arc. Press the refresh button at the bottom of the screen to update the HL7 messages. Select one of the patients and begin recording a study. At this stage, proceed with the normal EEG testing routine. Then generate a report when the recording has finished. The report will be generated within a Word document. Any Word-compatible software can be used with the report. Once the report has been finalized, press Finish, then close the recording. Return to the Review Patients tab. Highlight the desired patient and select the newly generated report. When the report has been selected, the Send Result button will activate and can be used to submit the document to the EMR. If the Send Result button is not available, the message you've selected may have been manually entered and cannot be sent back to the EMR. Once you click the Send Result button, a copy of the report will be sent to the EMR in either .docx or .pdf format, depending on your CADLink configuration. Please wait up to 5 minutes for the document to appear in the patient file. The first time a report is sent, it will be sent as a final result. Any additional reports sent after the first will be sent as a corrected result. The Send Result button will change to a Send Corrected button. From this section, you can also add additional reports from the PC, view the document attachments for the currently selected patient, or delete attachments. Only a single document can be sent back per patient. Any additional information can be copied into the document before it's sent back.